Public servants, ang master po nyo yung taong bayan. Ito ang tanong ngayon ng mga Pilipino sa lahat ng mga nagkakasala na nagnanakaw. How much do you owe your master? And a more serious question is, magkano ang utang mo sa Diyos? Oh, nagdo-donate naman ako. Justice before charity. Sisters and brothers, this is a call to conversion. Sa lahat po, commit crime against our people. Listen to the shoutings of the people, but listen also to the whispering of God to your heart. Listen to God whispering you now, anak, all the money you have, mayaman ka nga, pero magnanakaw ka. Anong identification mo when you come before God at the end of your life? Magnanakaw. Is that something to be proud of?